get into this Taco Solo. You ever tried there? Taco Solo? No, you never tried it? It's good. It's pretty good. I tried some of my buddies, so you get some rice, get some sauce to go up there, and you also get some baked beans, and then that's what it looked like. Chicken ones. These are chicken. And they also give you a lemon squeeze. Good eating.
Thursday, the Harrisburg Senators take on Altoona. Game time 6:30. It's craft beer.
So I'm gonna put mine on mine.
With select craft beers, just $3 till 8 o'clock. Join me, Nipsey, Saturday from 10 to noon at Jack Bubba.
I'm gonna put some beans up there too.
90 Eden Road in York. Outstanding deals, outstanding customers.
I know y'all might not do y'all's like that, but that's how I do mine.
See you Saturday, 10 a.m.
Some of the sauce right here.
Presents Hailstorm with special guests, Small Town Titans at the York State Fair, July 30th. Tickets on sale now. Go to 1057.com and sign up for your chance to win tickets. Central PA's Take Steps for Crohn's and Colitis Plus virtual event is taking place Saturday, June 12th at noon. To sign up for the virtual walk or to get more information, go to 1057.com. And that's what's up with 1057 The X. Chewy is hiring for their new warehouse in Louis.
The beginning, the middle, and sayonara. Getting that tint done on my baby. Big Dog Larry hooking me up. Y'all check him out, man. Get all my tinting done here now. You feel me? All right, guys. So now the modification is done to the front window. And as you can see, it goes all the way across. Ugh, that thing looks mean. But this is what it looks like driving it from back here. Slow down, Sally. Dang. Got the 80. You see what my 80 is? My 80 is in the middle. She's not playing no games, bro. She rolls out Transformer style. Give you another view of what it looked like in the cockpit. And I have more of it to show you, kind of like where it's going at, what it looks like from the outside, looking at it. But it's 5%, $40. It's 2 inches down from the AT line. There you go. Couple of quick pics of what it looks like. It is picture day for Sierra. And this is where you can come and hang out with your family and friends. There you go. And they're gonna take pictures. So I'll let you guys know how they turn out, okay? We'll make sure we have pictures and Miss Heather's, all her information for you guys to go check her whatever she has up for you guys to check out, and her prices and all that good stuff. All right, peace.
That you can actually walk on because they don't use anymore. And they're way above the falls there, the waterfalls.
So beautiful today, guys.
I have never made that fall.
You can see the trains coming across. We have a lot of trains.
I'm terrified. I'm like,
Look at how many FedEx. You know FedEx is a multi-billion-dollar company. When you see that many boxes of FedEx up there, they taking over, bro. Look at how long it is, all the way across the river, man. You see this big, gigantic mountain? I have it zoomed in right now, but look how beautiful that is. That is so beautiful. What, baby? What? Oh, it was something down there? It was a beetle. Say hey to the camera, guys. Hello, you're gonna be on my... Y'all chilling? laughing about, babe?
Dad, you're supposed to take a picture.
I did take a picture.
Dad, no, you didn't. Retake the picture.
Beautiful out here. Beautiful day. What's good, guys? I just wanted to give you an update on up and coming full video of my boy Mark's GT2 Stinger, man. The Kia Stinger is such an awesome car. You see that the beginning pictures was him doing the mods to it. Finished product. This guy is so good. I can't wait to show the full review of this car. What's good, Ghost Gang? Back with a further part of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the B-roll, watching me do a mukbang, this taco solo place I ate at, and seeing my car get some more modifications done to it. So I just wanted to tell you guys this part of the video. If it's something that you're grinding for, stay consistent. Stay consistent with whatever it is you're doing. Eventually, things will change for the better. Now, what I will say is, if it's positive things you're doing, it may take a lot more time to grow. Yes, I said it. If you're doing positive things, it may take a lot more time to grow. But trust the process, because if you're doing viral things, things that will make you want to sell your soul or sell your family out or do something that you're not supposed to do with your family morals and whatever it is that you believe in, then you might want to think twice about doing it. You feel me? Everyone has a breaking point. Everyone has a limit. And some people in this world, most people in this world, are willing to go to the extreme limit to get that money and fame. That's not me. I'm a child of God, I'm a Christian, and I have a certain way I do things. Now, you don't have to do them the way that I do them, but what I will tell you is, it's gonna be consequences to pay if you do things a certain way. So, I just wanna be here to encourage you guys and tell you that you don't have to have a million subscribers and be a big YouTuber. You don't have to be at that status. Now, if that's something you're going for, there's still ways to go about it without selling yourself out and doing these contracts. I know you guys know what a contract is. And for those who don't know what a contract is, it's when you make a legal binding contract with a company or people to do things that they're telling you to do, and that's how you earn your money and get subscribers and all of that. Some people are willing to do it. I'm not one of those. You're gonna see a genuine, down-to-earth, nice guy from my channel. You're not gonna see the crazy, turned up, just doing things just to be doing it. That's not my style, man. If y'all want that style, y'all gotta find somebody that'll do that. And if you wanna come to me to feel relaxed, have fun, turn up, and do cool stuff, I'm that guy. So I just wanted to put this at the end of the video, because I think a lot of times people get it twisted with success and what success is. Success for a person who may be poor, their success might be getting a good job. And they like, wow, I'm more successful than maybe my mom or my dad or my sister ever was. I've made the most money in my family ever. Sorry about the glare coming through the window, but that may be success to them. What your success is to you may be different from somebody else's success. So what I'll tell you, man, is grind hard, stay consistent, know what it is that you want to do content on, and make sure you're consistent with that particular content that you're doing. I haven't done a bunch of gaming, but I know it's the summertime, and I'm gonna be going to some car shows. I'm gonna be getting a drone. I'm gonna be flying over car shows, showing different car meets, having my own car in car shows once I get them to the status I want them to be at. And it don't have to be anything extravagant. You just, whatever it is you like to do to your vehicle, go do those things. So I'm just here to encourage you. I'll never give you negative vibes or negative choices to make. And you know, for every positive you make, there's more positive to come behind it. And then in the same sense, the more positive you do, negative will find its way in there some way. You may be thinking positive about something you want to do for somebody, but someone else may see it as negative. So just remember, guys, just stay motivated. And like a guy, Cam Cat, shout out to Cam Cat. He does a lot of stuff with Boosie and Little Boosie, the rapper, and his son. And he was saying last night that a lot of people understand, like if somebody has to motivate you, I like what he said, but I can capitalize off of what he's saying. He said, if somebody has to motivate you, then YouTube's not for you. But sometimes all someone needs is a little motivation speech like I'm giving now. So Cam Cat wasn't necessarily wrong, and I don't necessarily disagree with him, but what I am saying is that you have to be motivated to do your own thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. God bless you guys. I'll talk to you guys real soon. I got a lot of heat stuff coming out, so you guys make sure you stay tuned for me. Go Such Your Tees, and I'm out.